pleasant morning to our honorable principal sir, dedicated teachers, proud parents, and the heartbeat of this event, our energetic students. The sun is shining bright, the field is set, and not just about races and medals. It is about spirit, teamwork, determination, and celebrating the joy of sports. Welcome to our fourth annual Sports Day celebration. Are we ready to make this day unforgettable? Yes. We are proud to welcome you all to the fourth annual Sports Day of JKVV CBSE School. This wonderful morning by seeking the blessings of the Almighty, I request everyone to kindly stand for the prayer.
Attention. I'm standard తీసుకోవాల attention లో స్ట్రైట్ అన్న నేర్ అని
இறைந்தோனே எல்லை இலாதானே எங்கேயும் எப்போதும் என் குலம் காப்பவனே நெஞ்சம் துணிய துணையாய் வருவாய் நேர்மறை உணர்வுகள் பெருகிடச் செய்வாய் உடலில் உறுதியை பெரிதாய் தருவாய் உனை உணரும் அறிவை என்னுள்ளருள்வாய் சுற்றமனைத்தும் காப்பவனே செய்தொழிலில் ஏற்றம் தருபவனே எடுத்த செயலில் வெற்றி கொடு என் ஆற்றல் பெருகிட அருளை கொடு வாக்கி உருவாக்கி எனையாண்டு காத்தருடும் இறைவா நன்றி வல்லமை தந்து நீ வளர்ச்சி கொடு அகத்திலும் புறத்திலும் மலர்ச்சி கொடு வளர்ச்சி கொடு வளர்ச்சி கொடு வளர்ச்சி கொடு.
Let us salute the flag with respect and pride. Parents, please rise for salute the national flag. Please stand, salute.
I would like to please parents please stand up while until our school students march past. Very good morning, principal, respected teachers and parents. Watch our students march in fast, perfect synchronization. Leading in front is the school public leader, Mr. Murugan, having excellence in academics and a true sporting leader. Following him is our assistant school people leader, Ms. Kadia Rashid, leading as the women's football vice captain, and she is well known for her tremendous academic performance. our blue house captain, Ms. Shivani, former school people leader. Shivani shines with outstanding scholarship achievements, dominates the 1,500 meters track, showcases skill in football, and proves her agility in Kho-Kho, and a true symbol of discipline and determination. And meet our vice captain of Blue House, Mr. Bhuvanesh, an academic star and a powerhouse of endurance. Bhuvanesh will conquest the 1,500 and 5,000 meters with great excels on the football field. Greenhouse captain Miss Tanuja, last year's assistant school people leader. She blends intellectual brilliance with sporting, straight laced with girls who talk in with pride. Greenhouse assistant captain Ms. Sweta, a committed achiever in studies and a proud competitor of all Hindi examinations, and she is the youngest Hindi Pandit in our own school. Displays remarkable energy in Kho-Kho and football. Red House captain is Mr. Abhinav Raj. Former Yellow House captain Abhinav Raj is a fearless 100-meter sprinter, a strategic kabaddi warrior, and the commanding captain of the boys football squad. A true leader, forged with passion and power. Red House assistant captain Ms. Rushmita, an academic distinction holder. Rushmita brings grace and strength to the Kho-Kho and football, standing as a pillar of commitment and consistency. Yellow House captain is Mr. Kritik Raj, an intellectual achiever and a dependable football defender. He pairs tactical kabaddi skills with multi-talented sporting flair, representing Yellow House with pride and perseverance.
Symbolises hope, unity, and excellence is now ready to move forward. Leading the torch is our Red House captain, Abhinesh Raj, a fearless 100-meter. The flame that symbolizes hope, unity, and excellence is now ready to move forward. Leading the torch is our Red House captain, Abhinesh Raj, a fearless 100-meter sprinter, a powerful kabaddi player, and the commanding captain of the boys football team. From leading Yellow House in the past to leading Red House today, he runs not just with speed but with courage and confidence. A shining star in both academics and sports. A dynamic Kho-Kho and football player and the proud village champion of the Madurai Sahoria School Complex, he carries the torch with strength. Now the entering the track with Muthukasu, Carom champion. A talented sprinter, kabaddi warrior, football player, and carom champion. Now he is leading the unstoppable on the field. A true all-rounder who runs with focus and fierce determination. And now welcome Danuja, our greenhouse captain and former assistant school pupil leader. brilliant in academics, blazing on the 100-meter track, and the proud captain of the girls' football.
இன்னொரு தள்ளி வச்சுக்கோ, இன்னொரு தள்ளி வச்சுக்கோ. சரி வா வா வா. நாலு பக்கம் காமிச்சு உள்ள போடணும்னா, நாலு பக்கம் காமிச்சு உள்ள போடணும். இன்னும் தள்ளி இன்னொரு தள்ளி. வேறு வேறு நாலு பக்கமும் காமி.
Please let's give them the big round of applause. Now I request our sports captain to lead the yacht taking ceremony.
Olympic out. Olympic out. In the name of all competitors, taking part in the GK Vinayaka Vidyalaya fourth annual sports meet, I promise that we will compete with honor and respect. In the spirit of true sports, we will abide by the rules of the game and recognize the commitment of the tireless volunteers who makes this experience possible. I pledge our commitment to the true sports principles. We will strive for the excellence, stay healthy in mind and body and spirit, and have fun. Order.
Sports is not just about winning medals. It is about building character, discipline, and determination. The person who constantly nurtures this spirit in our students is our dedicated physical education teacher, Mr. Vignesh Kumar sir. It is my proud privilege to invite him to deliver the welcome address.
Parents, please sit down. Good morning, everyone. This is Vignesh Kumar, Physical Director of GK Vinayaka. I would like to welcome our today's chief guest, Mr. D. Arun Kumar sir, Principal of GK Vinayaka Vidyalaya. Welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our all dear parents. Welcome you all parents. And I would like to welcome future of India, our kids, GK Vinayaka. Welcome you all kids. And I would like to welcome our dear colleagues and non-teaching staff. Welcome you all once again. Thank you.
When dedication becomes vision, when vision becomes action, and when action becomes success, a true leader stands behind it. The energy we witness today, the discipline on this ground, the excellence in every student all reflect the powerful leadership of one guiding force. With immense pride, respect and gratitude, I invite our respected principal sir to address the gathering. Sir.
Good morning, my dear parents and my dear students and dear teachers. Today, I take immense pleasure to witness all the sports happening. Proverb says like this: sound mind and sound body. So when we have to be very physically fit and strong, first, it is incorporate with the sound mind. When the mind is sound, our body will be in a sound condition. So today, you're going to compete with the true sportsmanship. The true sportsmanship is not about winning the game, winning the fellow human being. So we have to stand shoulder to shoulder for our fellow men. We want to take part in their happiness, we have to take part in their sorrow. So that's the real sportsmanship is how it's not winning, how hard we fight to attain victory. So with this team spirit, and the one more special thing is Today we are going to have your parents among us. Even there are games which involve both students and parents. So let us share the same spirit with our parents. So by the grace of Almighty God, I wish everyone to give your best and excel in the studies as well as in the sports. Thank you.
Your words have truly added meaning and direction to today's celebration. And I would like to to present here to declare the open meeting, sir.
I declare fourth annual sports day meet of GK Vinayaka open.
All right, everyone, are you ready? It's time to feel the beat, move your feet, and raise the heat. The stage is no longer just a stage. It's about to become a dance floor. With powerful moves and unstoppable energy, our performers are ready to bring the vibe alive. So here comes our rocking Zumba performance.
Coffee dance, child on the face when she please with the side. Coming around to me, them gonna roll out the eyes.
And you put me good, not keep off of me body. Oh, you full of crack, now you can keep up with the energy. I got every letter with embedded in your memory. Big high bubble up in music like a melody. Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. My time is wide up. Let them know that nobody can stop me shine up. Caribbean girl, them ever clean and we fine up. Let us make them know that you are one of a kind. Pass on me to it right. Half of me to the night. Half of me to it right. One thing I tell you, man, and get it right. Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there. Yeah, down, 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 down. Move that up, move that up, move that up, move that up. Down, 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 down. Move that up, move that up, move that up, move that up. Move that up, move that up, move that up, move that up.
Bye.
LKG Queeties, they are always energetic and they are ready to hit the ground like a mass performance. Yoga is a harmony of body and mind and soul. With the roots in the ancient India, yoga promotes flexibility, strength, concentration, and inner peace. It improves posture, boosts immunity, and enhances overall well-being. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Students learn patience, balance, mindfulness. It promotes flexibility, strength, concentration, and inner peace. It reduces stress, improves posture, boosts immunity, and enhances overall well-being. Parents, please give a big round of applause for them as their hard work is delivering in front of us. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Through breathing techniques and asanas, students learn patience, balance, and mindfulness. Yoga teaches us to pause, breathe, and reconnect with ourselves. Because true strength, comes from inner calm. Yoga promotes flexibility, strength, concentration, and inner peace. It reduces stress, improves posture, flexibility, strength, and immunity. Students around there, please encourage them by giving a big round of applause. Don't just watch, please. Encourage them. I need a big round of applause, not this match.
In their focus. Keep the steps going and boost their confidence. This is not just yoga, this is peak. Students are ready to prove their strength on brief. This is performance demand focus, courage and complete control. Get ready to witness a power.
Wow, wow, wow. This needs patience, control, and the next event is Silambam and Karate. Students, please cooperate with your Karate master. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Through breathing techniques and asanas, students learn patience, balance, and mindfulness.
Focus all in one. Our yoga stars truly inspired us today. A huge round of applause for our amazing performers and a special thank you to our wonderful yoga.
கூடாதடா எமனையும் வெற்றி நீ கொள்ளடா சாதனையிலே வேதனைகள் முடியும் வரும் தலைமுறை என் பெயரால் நிமிரும் வெல்வோமே வீழாமல் வெல்வோமே வீழாமல் போராடி வா இது ஆடுகளம் வா கூட்டோடு கருவறுப்பேன் போரின் முடிவில் கூட்டாடி வழி ருசிப்பேன் பகை குற்றையில் என் எதிரினில் எதிரிகள் மோடி பாடவே இனி ஏதும் இல்லை வழி ஒரு அழைத்திடவே என் வீரம் முன்னே வேறறுத்து கொள்ளி வைக்குமே தலைகள் சிதறும் இது பகை படை அறுத்திடும் அறுப்பு அறுவடை சின்னத்தால் செருக்கை துடை திசையெட்டும் நம் சேர் போக கூட்டமே பறந்தோடிடும் ஆட்டமே அது சரித்திரம் படைத்திடும் கரும்படை எழுந்தால் நொறுங்கும் தடை வார் விட்டும் நம்கு ஆப்போம் மானமே கை கூடிடும் காலமே ஆடு களம் கூடிடும் காலமே ஆடு களம் கை கூடிடும் காலமே ஆடு களம் கை கூடிடும் காலமே ஆடு களம் கை கூடிடும் காலமே
Tamil heritage that showcases speed, agility, and extraordinary coordination. Originating in Tamil Nadu, this traditional stick fighting art improves extraordinary coordination. Originating in Tamil Nadu, this traditional stick fighting art improves reflexes, balance, concentration, and physical strength. Ancestors gifted us powerful techniques for fitness and protection. His name is Abhimanyu from 6th grade and he is doing a tremendous job. Wow, look at him. Parents and students, please give them a big round of applause. He is displaying his heavy hard work in front of us and it clearly shows his skills. What his performance is.
Yes.
And look at our wonderful girls. This is a terrific performance. Shubhasri from 5th standard and Latika from 5th standard. They are delivering their skills to us. This needs concentration and stamina at the same time. And they are doing it in a great way. Thank you, girls. And our boys with the steel sword. They are doing with a big crit. This is Bhuvanesh from 8th grade and Muthu Karthik from 6th grade. And they are doing a tremendous performance.
Ishwar has done the fantastic performance.
Meet Mr. Sabari Raja from 8th grade. Wow. It is a terrific performance. Oh my. Good. Oh my God. Wow. Parents, please give him a big round of applause as he is showcasing his skills to us. Wow. It is fantastic to watch. Muthu Karthik from 6th standard and Bhuvanesh from grade 8. Presenting you now sixth from 4th grade, Abhimanyu from 6th grade, Jay Praveen Bala from 4th grade. Look at his speed, look at his power. Just rotating a stick is different and rotating a stick with fire is totally different. And he's showcasing his skill in front of us. Karate, it is not merely about kicks and punches. It is a discipline of mind and body. Originating from Okinawa, karate teaches self-discipline, focus, respect, and self-control. It strengthens muscles, improves flexibility, sharpens reflexes, and builds mental toughness. A black belt. Through karate, students learn courage, patience, and perseverance. It empowers them to stand strong, stay calm under pressure, and face challenges with confidence and discipline. Wow, wow, wow. Maharaja, a very strong boy from grade 7. Now he is going to... Yeah, good. Thank you, Maharaja. They are going to break it. With their head. Oh my God, yes. 1, 2, go. Wow. Presenting you, he is Santosh from 6th grade. Good job, Santosh. Thank you. Devdasan from grade 6. He's a very strong boy. Yeah. Wow, good, good, good. Great effort. Thank you, Dev. Look at the power over there. Oh my God, it was a fantastic job. Sudarshan, he is Sudarshan from 6th grade. Wow, wow, wow. And presenting you Murali from 7th grade. Great work. It has split into two. Oh my God. So nice from grade 8. Abhimanyu from grade 6. 1, 2. Go 1. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. They are going for it. Who knows? Is taking the lead. He's in the first place. And here we go with the PKG runners. PKG in the house is taking the lead, followed by Blue House, followed by Edmore in the house. Red House is taking the lead, followed by one more house, and followed by the Blue House, and the Yellow House. And they are starting to run the race. Again, we have yellow house taking the lead and blue house followed by the green. Wow. And finally the boys 7th standard, Maharaja M from 10th grade, USG from greenhouse. And the greenhouse is taking the lead, followed by red and followed by one more red. And they have started. Red house is taking the lead and the yellow house took the lead. And the race for the first standard. Red house is taking the lead, followed by blue house. Ready, steady, go. Karishma from 2nd grade is taking the lead, followed by Rishi and the house is taking the lead, followed by blue. Nagara from yellow house is taking the lead, followed by green. And it's 100-meter race. From blue house is taking the lead, followed by Ashwin, followed by It is a race from 6th grade to grade 10. Miss Anuja from green house, 9th standard is taking the lead, followed by ஜெயிப்பது என்பது இருமுறைதான். ஆனால் அதற்காக உங்கள் பிள்ளைகளை யாரும் கீழே தள்ளிவிட வேண்டாம். அவ்வாறு ஆரம்பமானது இந்த போட்டி. கஷ்டப்பட்டு ட்ரெயின்லாம் பார்த்து இப்போ ஒரு தந்தை எல்லோ சுடிதார் போட்டு
ப்ளீஸ் பேரண்ட்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் எல்லாரும் உட்காருங்க, அப்பதான் எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும்.
சூப்பர் 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 சூப்பர். அந்த அம்மா அவங்களோட பையனோட டீமை சப்போர்ட் பண்றாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதனாலதான் எல்லோ சுடிதார் போட்டுருக்காங்க. அம்மா பாலை யாரும் பிடிக்க கூடாது. தலையோட தலையோட பத்துனா ஒட்டி வரிசைக்கு வரணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்லோ ஹவுஸ் வந்தது, ரெண்டாவது ரெட் ஹவுஸ். வாங்க 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 வாங்க. சாதாரண போட்டி தான். Kadalika from the greenhouse has completed, followed by Anne. Ready வாங்க சார். பேக் புக்க பேக்ல வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா பசங்க ரெடி பண்ணணும். பேக் ஓபன் பண்ணாம பிரைஸ் வெயிட் பண்ண கூடாது. யாரு முன்னாடி வருது? ஏம்மா பிள்ளைய கூட்டிட்டு போகணும்மா போட்டின்னு சொல்லிட்டா பிள்ளைய மறந்துட்டீங்களேம்மா உங்க பிள்ளை மேடம் ஏப்ரல் கெட்டாமலே வந்துட்டீங்க பாதி பேர் ஏப்ரல் கெட்டவே இல்லைப்பா
Vihana Singh from Yellow House, first prize. 50 meters running race. Ashita M from Yellow House.
சூப்பர் ஜெயகுருப்பா
60-meter running race, Jayakausi Kumaran from Blue House, first prize.
பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது இங்க ஒரு கேம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிருச்சுப்பா இதுல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கான ரோல் ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல போலயே தேவனான் கோவத்துல எங்க நடிச்சிடாதீங்க பெரிய கட்ட வேற வச்சிருக்கீங்க பேர்ல பசங்க மேல கட்டையை கொண்டு யாரும் அடிச்சிடாதீங்க தேவன் எல்லாரையும் கலந்துக்கிறீங்க ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு பிரைஸ் கிடைக்கும் சொல்லியா The relay race has been started and as of now, Ashwin from Blue House is taking the lead, followed by Tanuja from Green House, and they are going to hand over the baton. Blue has taken over the lead. Miss Shivani from Blue House is coming fourth, followed by Yuvanesh from Green House, followed by Padivarman from Yellow House. And Green House is taking the lead. He is following the front. Yellow House is also taking the lead. He is passing to Maharaja. Maharaja from 7th standard is taking the lead. He is from Green House. Muthu Karthik from 6th standard is taking the lead now from Blue House. And they are into the final line. And they are keeping it over. Dinesh from 8th standard is taking the lead. The Blue House is coming in front, followed by the Yellow House. Mr. Dinesh from the Blue House is taking the lead and he has followed up all the 8 standard students. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you.
celebrating our winners is not yet over. So I would like to invite Mr. Madhivanan sir to distribute the prizes. How's individual performance?
It's Nanadan ready! You deserve it, guys. You deserve it. Thank you. It was the best. The two leaders, Red House, has done very well.